In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run onboarding and customer success in Hubspot. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hubspot URL. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the login option, conveniently positioned in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Login will take you to a page where you can access your account. For a seamless login experience, go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. If you're already signed into your Google account, you should see your Google account listed. Select it, and this will redirect you into your HubSpot dashboard, giving you full access to all the features and tools available. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate your way to the CRM. Look over to the left panel on your dashboard. Here you will see various menu options. Click on CRM to get started with managing your customer relationships. Once you're in the CRM section, your next move will be to go to Tickets. Tickets are a critical feature that helps you track customer issues and inquiries efficiently. Next, look for the All Pipelines dropdown. Clicking on this reveals various options that help in organizing your tickets. To customize these to suit your business needs, opt for Edit Pipelines. Now, once again, head to the Pipeline dropdown. This will reveal another set of options that allow you to manipulate your current pipeline settings. You might be curious about creating a new pipeline at this point. Click on Create Pipeline. Do bear in mind, though, that creating a brand new pipeline may require a payment. If you're exploring features for free, then select the Support Pipeline option for this tutorial. It's a versatile choice for managing where your customers' questions and issues are handled efficiently. In this support pipeline, there are opportunities to refine it further. You have the ability to edit and add new statuses that represent various stages of your customer support process. Feel free to explore these configurations to make sure they align well with how you want to track customer inquiries. Once you've tweaked the pipeline settings according to your preferences, it's time to save your work. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will ensure that all your changes are securely stored and ready for use. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you effectively run onboarding and customer success processes within HubSpot, enhancing how you manage customer interactions. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tutorials to make the most out of your HubSpot experience.